Welcome back to Chasing the Target. This is just a video wrapping up what was an incredible experience, incredible test match at Manchester Old Trafford. हाँ जी, draw हुआ test match. India didn't win, England didn't win, लेकिन it was an incredible game. England were in control of for like 80% of the test match until day 4 lunch. England तो पूरा मैच जीत रही थी. First they got in India all out for 350. उसके बाद 600 रन बनाए भाई. बेन स्टोक्स पंजाबी ले लिया, 100 भी बना दिया. फिर उसके बाद आपके जो रूट भी रिकॉर्ड पे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा था, उसका भी 100 था. एंड या इंडिया वर ऑन द बैक फुट. द बॉलर्स लुक लिस्टलेस, देयर बैट्समैन कुडंट कन्वर्ट. ऋषभ पंत की इंजरी हुई भाई, ऋषभ पंत की इंजरी हुई. दिस मैन गॉट स्मैश्ड ऑन द फुट एंड still came out to bat in that first innings, which I felt was probably the moment of the test match for me. Sitting there live in the stadium, seeing Rishabh Pant walk out to bat after that injury on day 2 was an incredible scene, and well done, hats off to him. And after that, it just looked like India is going to lose this test match. मेरे को कभी लगा नहीं कि इंडिया ड्रॉ भी करेगी ये टेस्ट मैच. फिर डे 4 पे 0 for 2 लंच पे यार, लाइक तो तब तो सब बोल रहे थे कि मैच ख़त्म है. सब हम यही देख रहे थे कि 5th डे छुट्टी होगी तो वी कैन रोम अराउंड मैनचेस्टर एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स व्हाट एवरीबॉडी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. दैट वाज द चैटर गोइंग अराउंड द ग्राउंड. लेकिन up stepped the captain Shubman Gill alongside the most experienced player, one of the most experienced players in this team, KL Rahul. दोनों क्या बैटिंग करे भाई, क्या पार्टनरशिप लगाई, वो भी प्रेशर में. जब 2 विकेट चले गए पहले ओवर में, पहले उसमें ही. एंड दोनों जिस तरीके से पहले डिफेंड करे, फिर काउंटर अटैक करे, फिर पूरा दिन जो बैटिंग करे, कल 2 सेशन निकाले विदाउट लूजिंग अ विकेट. हैट्स ऑफ टू देम. इट वाज इनक्रेडिबल बैटिंग. सम ऑफ द कवर ड्राइव्स, द स्ट्रेट ड्राइव्स वर ब्यूटीफुल टू वॉच. द डिफेंसिव टेक्निक लीविंग द बॉल was incredible. They came out to bat today and abhi bhi there was a mountain to climb. There's still a long way to go to draw this test match. आपको 3 सेशन खेलना था, 90 ओवर खेलना था. एंड फर्स्ट सेशन में जब KL आउट विकेट की गई, इंडिया वर अगेन अंडर प्रेशर. शुभमन गिल की सेंचुरी आई, बगैर सेंचुरी के बाद वो आउट हो गया एंड इंडिया वर अगेन अंडर प्रेशर, इवन मोर प्रेशर. बिकॉज देखो ऋषभ पंत बैटिंग करेगा नहीं करेगा, हाउ विल ही बी एबल टू बैट. जडेजा और सुंदर है अभी एट द क्रीज, कितना बैटिंग लुक कर सकते. इट डिडंट लुक लाइक इंडिया वाज स्टिल गोना ड्रॉ दिस टेस्ट मैच, बट जडेजा एंड वॉशिंगटन सुंदर बैटेड ब्यूटिफुली. जो लंच के बाद उन लोग खेले भाई, आराम से सिंगल डबल, बाउंड्रीज भी निकाल रहे थे. जडेजा ड्रॉप हुआ द फर्स्ट बॉल, प्लेड आउटरेजियस शॉट, बट आफ्टर दैट ही लुक्ड इन great touch, much more aggressive today. Both of them were rotating the strike. Washington Sundar एक छक्का मारा देखो, pull shot Stokes को, that set a statement of intent. And then even Jadeja आगे निकल के छक्के मार रहा था. बहुत बेहतरीन बैटिंग करे दोनों, लगातार रन बना रहे थे, डिफेंड भी कर रहे थे, पेशेंस भी दिखा रहे थे. The odd ball was keeping low, whether that was Ben Stokes or Dawson or Joe Root or Archer. They kept their focus. It's very difficult, man, to bat for 5 sessions. And even today जब प्रेशर था आप पे, they kept batting, they were scoring the runs. And जब टी तक लेके गए ना, it looked like India has a very good chance to draw this, but it's not over yet. अभी भी 30-40 ओवर थे, a long way to go. And टी के बाद they just got into the zone. They just kept going. They didn't lose their concentration. They ran England tired. They ran them ragged, and the shots started flowing. फिर आधा एक घंटा टी के बाद फिर पता चल गया कि इंडिया ड्रॉ करेगी आधे घंटे के बाद. And there was an incident when Ben Stokes came to shake Washington Sundar and Jadeja's hand. मगर उन लोग भाई बोले रुक जा भैया, अभी हमारे को सेंचुरी मारने दो. And fair enough, they deserved the hundreds. Both of them were incredible. They batted like warriors. It was outstanding. They showed grit, they showed determination, and they deserved those hundreds. So yeah, overall I think it was a fantastic test match. बहुत ज़बरदस्त था. The series is still alive. I know there's been times in this series where India should have won matches, they let moment, and there were times where they didn't play well, but going 2-1 with this kind of squad, I think I'll take it for now, and let's see what happens to the Oval. Hopefully, the bowlers are fit. Gautam Gambhir is saying they are fit. Rishabh Pant won't be available, and he'll be a big loss, not only with the bat, but as a keeper, as a leader, the vice captain. He will definitely be a big loss, but India have been in this position in the past where they've lost big players and still have to, win matches, and they've done it. So let's see, let's hope at the Oval that they do better. There will be changes, I think. Of course, Rishabh Pant will be a change. Maybe Jasprit Bumrah might not play because he's only playing 3 matches, so he probably won't play as well. So we might see a few changes going into the Oval, and hopefully India can get off to a good start and put pressure on England and win this test match and make it 2-2. So वो देखेंगे when we reach the Oval, but Manchester was fabulous. Thank you to everybody for supporting us throughout the series, throughout the match as well. And we'll keep getting you the latest content and covering this series. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned to Chasing the Target.